Hey guys, well, we're going to Yucko's today. We're gonna do some interesting things while we're over there to his car. And at the same time, we are going to be finishing up the AOS install. I didn't film anything the other day when I installed the bracket, but I'm gonna go over it with you guys. I just didn't really do anything besides that bracket that day, so I decided not to film anything. But today, will be the in-depth install on my AOS, and yeah. Grr.
I just woke up.
Where's your car?
In that garage.
Oh, man.
I told my sister I was parking there tonight, last night.
Getting bitch at you?
Nah, she said just clean up my car in the morning, and that's good.
That's not cool.
If I can do it, you can do it. Yeah. Ooh,
Yeah.
Turbo noises.
Don't try to get up Yucko's driveway in the snow, it sucks.
Yeah, imagine what I go through. Bald tires.
It's fun. She's going to work, she's just turning around, but so once I got here, it was sketch. Would you say my whole car just went yeet?
Oh yeah, I've gone right here.
Yeah, well,
Yeah, this driveway's sketching and stuff. It's honestly,
I didn't want to hit that, but you can literally see, because I started here, and then I slipped and stopped there.
you can always drive.
Yeah. Bye, babe. She's heading to work, so see she rips it. No, I was spinning. So explain to them what we're doing today.
Okay, so today, come on.
Oh, you said to follow him.
That's my new spring.
Oh my god, what are those? They can't see it. We're replacing his springs today, or
Springs up.
he wants to try to do it first.
And I'm gonna try pucks. I don't think this hole's gonna be big enough, to be honest. Gonna have to find a bigger bit.
We're gonna have to take the daily.
Yeah, right.
How many hockey pucks are we doing? And are we doing front or rear?
I measured. I'm gonna do the rear because my front's already too low. I can't even turn. But I measured, and like 5 pucks is like 4.5 inches. So I'm just gonna send it on that.
But let's show the viewers the taillights because they didn't get to see it in the last video.
Hold on, open the garage.
So, this is the finished product.
Came out actually pretty good.
That chrome bulb actually looks pretty nice in there.
Yeah, it's like neochrome almost.
Yeah.
It's kind of cool. I do have to do a black trim around the edge to fix
Yeah,
up that.
we're gonna. He wants to do a black trim, and I said he should to get rid of all the. You can see where we cut basically.
Yeah, like it's not that.
Has it
much,
leaked?
It's silver.
Has it leaked?
No. Even it rained all day. There was a little bit right here on the side, like literally till right there. And then where I parked, the sun's facing the tillage, so
That's what I
I
heard,
took
but
care of it and like by 9 o'clock.
it's pretty good. Still don't like the clear tails though.
Yeah, I know you hate clear tails, but
Oh yeah, they're hideous for me. But it looks good on this car. For some reason, it works on this car. See all the car parts and shit in that car?
yeah, kind of.
We got my car cover, my under tray, and my crash beam. And if we go over here,
That's what a project car looks like.
we have parts in that box that I'm not installing yet, but we're installing that green box. Oh, and if you guys want to see the custom mount that I made the other day. So, basically, the Radium AOS separator is supposed to go over here, but as you can see, the front mount intercooler piping is in the way. Yeah, so I made my own bracket back there.
Ah, so that's what a turbo car looks like.
I'm probably gonna have to add another bracket so that it's structurally rigid because it's still a little flimsy, but
Zip ties, bro.
nah, I have metal to make a bracket, so we're chilling.
Zip ties, bro.
But yeah, we're gonna be doing this and he's gonna be doing that, and I'll be assisting him when he needs.
Nah, but I'm chilling. I took my own after informing
Hey,
him.
okay, so let's close these garage doors. So I guess the first thing we're gonna have to do is get that out and off the bracket. So basically getting rid of this pipe today and PCB back here and just running everything there. And I'll show you how to do everything step by step. But yeah, I'll put you guys on a time lapse or update you guys. But let's get going. So I'll show you guys in more depth the bracket I made. So this is the bracket that came to hold the actual AOS up. It's held in by 4mm Allen keys. And the bracket has 3 holes that's supposed to connect to the brake master cylinder bracket, but I obviously didn't get that and the front mount was in the way, so that's a waste of $300 if I got it. Alright, so how many hockey pucks do we put in? Or did you put in?
For now. I'm gonna have to take the bump stop out.
Oh.
Because right now I don't think it's gonna drop it at all. If anything, it might be higher.
We'll see. This is test.
If anything, I can go down to 1. If it's still not as low as I want, I'll take the bump stop out.
Alright, well, he puts the wheel back on so he can drop the car. So far, I've disconnected the battery terminal from the negative side. I unplugged the harness for the AC compressor. Took out the fan, and you're gonna have to unclip a plug down there. And I've removed all 4 bolts that hold in the AC compressor. So next we just gotta bring it over because I don't want to discharge the system yet. But this summer we will be doing this because my AC doesn't work.
Yep.
It's higher.
Yeah.
Well,
A lot higher. So
yeah. So he's gonna have to remove the bump stop.
Bump stop and run. Or I can go 1 pump. No, I should go no bump stop.
Yeah, take the bump stop
And
out
just run 1.
and just run 1 or
And I
just
think I'll be
trial and error.
fucking slammed.
So while you do that,
That's
Goose was
tough.
getting back to that. So, got the AC compressor tilted this way. Careful of this bolt, make sure it doesn't come out. You're gonna have to disconnect the the vacuum pump and the alternator, as well as the alternator plug, because it's obviously connected on 1 loom. But next, there's just a couple fittings. You're gonna want to take this fitting off on the right side that comes up like this and over and down. That's your crankcase vent hose. Take it out, throw it away. You won't be needing it. So, yeah. Next thing is to remove the PCV hose that routes from the engine block to the intake manifold, which would be right here. This one right here. Before I turn this camera,
Yeah.
how do you like it?
It's a minute.
So what did you do?
Put 1 puck.
Just 1 puck?
1 puck.
No bump stop?
I'm looking. Look, I bought this pack of pucks right here, right? Thinking I'm gonna need maybe 6 on each side because it equals out to like foot. I don't know how this works, but it just works.
It matches the front now.
This is the front. Yeah, I'm finally not raked up.
Yeah. My cores are coming soon.
Should I go no much less? Does it need the other?
You want them to drag?
Not really.
Because you said you wanted them to drag.
Yeah, but look at the camera, right? Come look at this. I'm at like -4 right here.
Alright, so can I have them up, Pops?
No.
Alright, well, he's gonna get the other side done
Roll this somehow.
and roll that, take the mud flap off, and probably do whatever else to his car. I'm not even halfway done.
Really?
Nah.
Is it hitting?
Yeah. Got to roll out a little bit.
That.
Yeah.
Let's check the stiffness.
Let's check. I don't think you might have to do it a little bit, but that doesn't look like you rub because you go all the way to lip.
I don't hear anything.
You go to lip.
Really?
Yugo slip. Do it again.
It's not as stiff as I thought, honestly.
Alright.
Well, I still have a spring on that side, so that could be why.
Alright, so got the PCV valve off.
Can I go no mud flash or what?
So gunked. Depends on what you want to do.
I know, but if I go no mud flash, you'll be able to see the camera from the back. So it's kind of sad.
Send it. So that's out. On to the next step. Bruh, are you plowing your driveway?
Yeah.
Nick, why'd you learn car more? Dad, honestly, it plows the driveway. So you don't have to shovel today?
So, tuck in there. And yeah, we'll wait till it's off flat ground.
Yeah! The whole way.
Now you scrape all the time.
It's a win, I'd say. Well, I have to...
Now I gotta work on my win.
No, I have to roll.
In the garage.
I have to roll that.
Where can they get one?
Target.
Target, how much you pay?
$2.
Bet. What? You gay? Oh my god. No.
Here we are rolling. Uh-oh. No.
You need a real fender roller now.
I need the jack.
Sucks to suck. I'm going back to my car.
Up 5%.
5% of what?
Bitcoin.
Oh, you invest in Bitcoin?
I always invest in Bitcoin.
Man. If you have a front mount intercooler, you're gonna have such a hard time putting the 5/8 line through, and then you gotta make like an S and go into the inlet. Brings it up, goes to the first port, and then since I relocated mine here instead of over there, my PCV delete goes to the bottom port, and then the coolant lines. This is the in, and then the other side is the out, and this goes to the crankcase. I mean, straightforward install. It just takes time. Don't recommend.
Nah, we all recommend it.
Well, let me get this back together and then start it up. We finally did it. The Radium AOS is in, custom. Just right there. So basically, the only trouble you're gonna have is putting the, if you have a front mount, putting that 5/8 line all the way to the turbo inlet. And some of the coolant lines, but other than that, everything's running mint. Nothing's acting up. Everything works. No leaks, no coolant leaks that I can see. Looks like we're chilling. And when we shut the hood, and it's right there. So yeah, that was the install process on the AOS. Hope you guys liked it. Next week will be, or this upcoming week will be installing J-pipe. So this is how it sounds now. And I am not throwing any codes for installing the AOS. Everything on the action port seems fine. As see if that set my readiness for some reason. Maybe it did, maybe it didn't. We'll see. So that's ready. That's not ready. Don't have that. Evap's not ready. AC not ready. Oxygen's not ready. Alright, well, hopefully the dyno soon will fix everything. But yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching this one. See you guys in the next one.